So hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker, and you join me and James. Say hello, James.
Hello, James.
All kinky. You join us on this very miserable and damp day on our way to the original tea hut again, because we were going to go Burnham. We're not going Burnham anymore. So yeah, we're going to go get breakfast. I'll roll the intro. We'll have a montage of us getting there and then we'll be there.
I saw him got hit and he fucking ragdolled across the phone.
Not fully open. It's just fucking up.
Lots of jokes are some of the best kind of jokes.
Oh, you know it, my brother. Give me, right, give me. I don't quite appreciate what you just did, son. You should have your wedding in the town of Wedding, and then have the honeymoon in fucking.
I'm just gonna stroll along on my clutch, don't mind me.
I don't know. Oh look, OEM1. How much is that number plate worth?
Hey, I am still blind as fuck. Where is this forest?
Is it this one? Yeah.
Coffee.
Yeah, I could do a coffee. Okay, good, lovely jubbly. We have cash this time. Oh, might want to indicate that might be a good idea. Oh god, I went a bit wide there and she nearly went into the back of me. Great. I appreciate I went wide there, love, but you could have waited until I was, you know, clear. Right, it's just there on the left where this big white van is.
Yep.
Let's see how they're... Oh, there are bikes. Oh, there's quite a few bikes. Jesus. Oh, okay. I guess you were right about there being some bikes here today. Oh, there's also, there's also horses. Right. I'm noticing a distinct lack of a way of getting in. Hang on, between the red one. If I was in gear, I might go somewhere. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. There it is. I'm just trying to think where looks dry and that's going to hold the weight of the bikes up. This will do.
Does that look good?
Let's see. Is this going to hold? I think it will.
Oh, these gents have made a nice little bit of space for me, so yeah. I'll have that.
Go on, stick it in there.
That's what she said.
Ooh, kinky. Who that is? Who that was? Alright, cool. Did not think it'd be this busy. Who that is? What are you thinking, James?
Looking good.
It is indeed looking good.
And just like that, all of the riding in the mist and the cold was worth it. James, what are we thinking?
It's always worth it, man. It's always the way to go, this place.
It is
a little
good.
bit chilly, but...
We remembered cash this time as well.
Yeah, thought well ahead of that one.
I mean, for £5.50 for that alone. Good. 3 sausages. Also, I am very surprised with the amount of bikes that are actually here. I did not expect that whatsoever. Yeah, there's quite a few, and me and James are parked right over there in the corner. But yeah, we'll eat, and then I'll give you a look around what's in the car park.
A few minutes later.
Right, so unfortunately, quite a few of the bikes left while we were eating our food, but we've still got a few left.
Yeah, all's well. Just wanted to push that out.
There, got a big Tracer. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go around this side. Tracer 9 GT there. Speed Twin 1200. CB500X. Ninjas. No, sorry, that's a Z1000 SX. I thought that that was a Ninja 650 because the paint was here. Versus 1000. Is this Tracer going out? I think he is. Big GS. Okay, no, it's still sitting there. Big GS. Got another Z1000 SX. Lexmo LXR. MV Augusta. Very interesting. Look at that. I don't see those very often. Z650. Got a Benelli. And then of course you've got James's bike featuring James himself. And then of course you've got my bike here. Oh, there goes the Tracer. And then you've got Tiger 1050 there. And then there's a NC 750 over there. But yeah, most of the stuff left while we were eating, so I'll try and get a few shots of these guys leaving, and then we'll see what happens from there. Another bike. It's all good.
Right, that may have been short and sweet, but I enjoyed that. James, what are you thinking?
Yeah, mate, like, mate, to start coming back here in like the nicer weather, that's for sure.
Yeah, and get here a bit early because it'll be absolutely packed. Hang on, my maps isn't updating. Turn around, damn you. Where are we going? Alright, I'm pretty sure we're going left. I think? Yes, we're going left. And away we go. Right, we are now off to Sports Bike Shop. I don't know if I'll actually film that or if I'll end the video here, so yeah, either it'll cut to me saying thank you for watching or it'll cut to me at Sports Bike Shop. We shall find out.